Hello everyone. I'm working in the garage and kind of trying out my GoPro. I have some things that one of my friends gave me. He wants me to try to polish up, so I'm going to try to see if I can get in the sunlight here. He gave me some amethyst crystals and asked if I could polish them up. I don't know if this is going to work or not, because I'm not sure that these amethyst crystals will actually polish very well. I'm going to take one of these and I'm just going to run it against the grinder. We're going to set up the GoPro and we'll see if I can do anything with it. I kind of worry because there's a lot of crystalline form in the amethyst, just the way it is, and I'm worried that pieces of it are going to come off as I try to shape or polish it. So we'll give it a shot and we'll see what it looks like. Okay, I have finished making initial pass at it. As you can see, it really brought out the purple. And for those of you that are agate fans, there's definitely a band right here that kind of goes through the whole thing, so it's very much like an agate in that aspect. I'm not quite sure what I'm going to do with it. I may just try to round down the outsides, polish it up that way, or I may just take this particular stone and throw it in the tumbler with some of my other tumbling stuff and just see what it turns out like. But that's the kind of final result. Looks a lot different when it's wet. Let's see if I can get it wet for you. Go back out here. So as you can see, it's vibrant purple, very pretty. But I don't know what he wanted to do with it, so we'll see what it looks like and hand it off. But thanks for watching.